Today, we embark on a culinary journey. A journey that promises to elevate your chicken wing game to new heights. A quest for the perfect chicken wing. One that is crispy on the outside, yet tender and juicy on the inside. Not just any wing. A crispy, oven-baked masterpiece that will leave your taste buds dancing with joy. Our journey begins with preparation. Clean hands and a clean workspace are essential. First, select your wings. Fresh, never frozen. The quality of your wings sets the foundation for your dish. Pat them dry, very dry. This step is crucial to achieving that coveted crispiness. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Remember that. The drier the wings, the crispier they will be. Next, the dry rub. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika. These spices will infuse the wings with incredible flavor. And the secret weapon, baking powder. This ingredient is key to achieving that perfect crunch. But not just any baking powder, aluminum-free. This ensures a clean, pure taste without any metallic aftertaste. It prevents a metallic aftertaste. Rumford is a good choice. Trustworthy and reliable. Sprinkle the dry rub generously, coat each wing, massage it in. This is where the magic happens. This is where flavor takes hold. Each wing, perfectly seasoned, ready for the oven. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot and ready. This temperature is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy texture on the outside, while keeping the meat juicy on the inside. Line a baking sheet with foil. This makes for an easy cleanup and ensures that the wings don't stick to the pan. Place a wire rack on top. The wire rack is essential as it allows the heat to circulate evenly around the wings. This allows air to circulate. Proper air circulation is key to achieving that golden, crispy finish. Coat the rack with non-stick spray. This step ensures that the wings won't stick to the rack, making it easier to turn them halfway through cooking. We want crispy, not stuck. A good coating of non-stick spray will help achieve that perfect texture. Arrange the wings on the rack, skin side up, don't overcrowd. Overcrowding can lead to uneven cooking and soggy wings. They need space to breathe, to crisp. Proper spacing ensures that each wing gets the right amount of heat and air circulation. Into the oven they go. Bake for 20 minutes. This initial bake helps to set the skin and start the crisping process. After 20 minutes, turn the wings. Ensure even cooking. Flipping the wings halfway through ensures that both sides get equally crispy. Bake for another 20 minutes. This second bake will finish cooking the wings and give them that final, crispy touch. Repeat until golden brown and crispy. About an hour. Patience, my friend. Perfection takes time. The result will be wings that are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. A true golden delight. While the wings bake, prepare the sauce. Buffalo is a classic. Frank's Red Hot sauce, melted butter, a touch of brown sugar, simmer until smooth. Let it cool. But don't be afraid to explore. Honey BBQ, tangy and sweet. Ranch, cool and creamy. Or classic BBQ, smoky and savory. The choice is yours. Each sauce, a different experience. A symphony of flavors. Choose wisely. Or better yet, make a few sauces. The wings are done. Golden brown and crispy. The aroma fills the kitchen, making your mouth water in anticipation. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Remove them from the oven. Let them rest. This step is crucial. It allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is as flavorful as the last. 5 minutes. Just 5. Use this time to prepare your sauce and sides. Patience is key. Then, toss them in the sauce. Coat them evenly. Make sure every wing is covered. Serve immediately, but not alone. Every great dish needs a supporting cast. Celery sticks, carrot sticks, blue cheese dressing, these are your sidekicks. They add crunch and contrast. Arrange them artfully on a platter. Presentation matters. It's not just about taste, but also about the visual appeal. A feast for the eyes. A triumph of flavor. Your hard work is about to pay off. Your guests will be impressed. They'll savor every bite and appreciate the effort you put in. And you, my friend, will be a culinary hero. Enjoy the game. Relish in the compliments and the joy of sharing good food.